Hi, I'm Danielle.
And I'm also Danielle.
Together, we founded Soul Repair 360, where we help leaders and everyday people connect the dots between distress and disconnection and the tools you need to function better.
Because the truth is, what we often call burnout or overwhelm is sometimes unresolved grief in disguise.
Yeah, you see, trauma is what happened to us, but grief, that's the feeling that lingers.
Here, we talk about healing and leadership in the workplace and in life without shame, with practical tools you can actually use.
So if that sounds like something that would be helpful to you, come with us as we choose to go from coping to healing every day. Welcome to Soul Repair 360.